Have you ever wondered what you'd look like as an action figure? Or maybe starring in your own 90s sitcom? Or, I don't know, running a cookie store? Well, guess what? Today we're going to make that happen. I'm going to walk you through Google's awesome and free AI image tool, Nano Banana, so you can make your first incredible image in like the next 5 minutes.
So here's what we've got on tap. First, we'll quickly cover what Nano Banana even is. Then, the fun part, we'll create your first image step by step. After that, we'll get into the really cool stuff, using your own photos, trying out some advanced tricks, and then we'll peek at what comes next once you've mastered the still image. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is this tool, and why is everybody talking about it? So, what if I told you there was a tool that didn't just whip up images out of thin air, but could actually take your photos and edit them and do it with like shockingly good consistency? That's the big idea here. Okay, so Nano Banana is Google's new AI image tool, and it lives right inside Gemini, which is their main AI assistant. And here's the thing, it's not just another text-to-image generator. Nope. It edits your photos, and its absolute standout feature, and this is a big deal, is that it keeps your face looking like your face across all kinds of crazy edits. Now for the best part. Let's actually make something. We're going to create your very first image, and I promise you, this is so easy. It really is just 4 simple steps. First up, just go to the Gemini website or fire up the app, sign in with your Google account. Then you're going to click on Tools and look for Create Images. You'll see a little banana icon. You can't miss it. And finally, just type in what you want to see and hit that Submit button. That's it.
All right, let's get our hands dirty with a simple one. We'll type in, make an image of a cookie store on a city street. Nice and easy. Let's see what it spits out.
And boom, look at that, a beautiful little storefront. But wait, here's where the magic really kicks in. See how the sign says Sweet Bites? We can just follow up with another prompt, something like, change the name of the store to Kevin Cookie Company. And just like that, it edits only the sign. Everything else stays exactly the same. How cool is that? And that right there, that's the real power of this thing. It's not about just generating one image and you're done. The magic is in the iteration. Making those little tweaks, changing details, and just refining it until it's exactly what you pictured in your head. Okay, making scenes from scratch is fun, but what about putting yourself in the picture? Let's level up and see how you can use your own photos. Getting your photo in there is super simple. You can upload a file, you can literally just drag and drop an image right into the chat, or you can even just copy and paste a picture. Easy peasy. Now, here's a prompt that has been going absolutely viral. You upload a picture of yourself and then just type this in. Turn me into a 1/7 scale collectible figurine on a desk with toy packaging beside me. It's a seriously fun way to see just what this tool can do. And look, there it is again, that killer feature. Notice how consistent the face on the action figure is compared to the original picture. It actually looks like the person. That level of facial consistency is exactly what makes Nano Banana a game changer for personal edits. So, you've made an image from scratch, you've turned yourself into a toy. Let's push the boat out a little further. Let's get into some more advanced creative tricks. Did you know you can blend 2 completely different images? For example, you could upload a photo of yourself and a photo of a jacket you really like. Then just tell Nano Banana to put you in the jacket. It's like a virtual try-on. But wait, there's more. You don't have to stop there. Once you've got that new picture of you in the cool jacket, you can immediately give it another prompt and put yourself in a totally new scene. Take that image and say, put me in a sleek executive office. The tool keeps you looking the same, but changes the entire world around you. Feeling inspired yet? Here are some other fun ideas you could try out. You could reimagine yourself in a 90s sitcom, make an 80s style profile photo, pop yourself into the Wild West, or even become a comic book character. And it's not all just for fun. You can do practical stuff too, like restoring old photos or even removing people from the background of a picture. We've covered a ton you can do with still images, but, the world of AI is always moving. So what's the next logical step? Well, it's bringing your creations to life. So once you've made that perfect image in Nano Banana, you can actually animate it using Google's AI video tool, which is called VO3. Now, it is a separate paid tool, but it's designed to work seamlessly with Nano Banana, letting you turn that static picture into a short, living, breathing video clip. And the process is really straightforward. First, you create your image in Nano Banana and get it just right. Then, you pass that image over to DF3. You write a new prompt telling it how you want the picture to move, and then you generate your video. It is an amazing way to watch your imagination literally come to life. So, there you have it. From a simple idea to a photo edit all the way to an animated video, you've got the tools, you've got the steps, and you've got plenty of ideas. The only question left is, what are you going to create first?